Okay, Gilivers is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang tanghali sa lahat ng Gilivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yung Doc Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat ng sumagpako sa atin, online or personal. And if you want to advertise your business or you want to do business with me, and if you need speakers for your seminars and training, message ka lang 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Pilar Bataan, lahat ng mga taga-Pilar. Hello. Ay, by the way, salamat pala kay Sir Eli sa Popot's resto. So, only steak. So, sa ating lunch ngayon, thank you, sir. Thank you sa masarap na lunch na ibinigay mo. Lahat ng may estudyante, empleyado, dine-in na kayo doon. Popot's Diners, unlimited everything. Steak and marami. For only, I think, 499 plus meron silang student meal 60 pesos. Okay, so dito tayo ngayon sa Arts in Motion Studio. Let's see, tingnan natin kung ano ba. Hi po, hello. So this is Arts in Motion Studio. Yan, Arts in Motion Studio. So nandito yung studio nila. So, ato na si ma'am. Hi ma'am.
Hi.
Hi ma'am. Hello. Hi ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon. Yeah, I'm Miss Michelle Ulep, the Executive Director of Arts in Motion Studio.
Okay, so Ma'am Michelle, tama. Okay,
yes.
So Arts in Motion Studio is about...
Well, we are a premier performing arts studio here in Bataan.
Okay.
We opened 2014. We offer dance and music classes plus gymnastics.
Okay, so now you are having the...
Now we have ballet training for preparing the kids for the competition next year.
Okay.
We have also ongoing piano classes and ballet
natin, no?
classes. Yeah. We'll tour you around the studio today.
Okay, right. So, let's see. So, ito yung studio nila. Hi! Hello! Ito yung mga students nila. Ayan.
This is the reception area where the parents stay while waiting for the kids.
Okay. Alright. And my niece is one of your students. So,
yes.
Pakita natin si Julie.
Julie is our advanced student.
Advanced students, yes. Kasi old na siya.
This is our Studio B.
Restricted. Okay. So this is where everything is happening.
The one of our piano room is being repaired. So we
over there. And he's your student. Hi, hello.
You say hi, William.
Hi, William. How are you? Okay.
So we conduct here. We have dance classes here. Sometimes there's gymnastics, then voice classes because it's close and it's good for voice classes.
Oh, okay.
So here.
So we have another room for.
This is the smaller room. Then this is the main studio.
Okay.
We passed there a while ago.
Right.
Then this
so
is
this is
the main studio.
Oh, I see. So you have the main studio.
One.
Wow. Okay.
This is our main studio.
Okay.
The flooring is really for ballet classes. It's a sprung floor. So there's a bouncing effect where, you know, the ankles, the knees will not be, the kids will not be injured.
Okay.
We do karate-do classes also here, the gymnastic classes. So big and small girls, they experience the main studio.
Okay. Alright, so we're still here in Arts in Motion Studio and we're still with Ma'am Michelle. Hi, Ma'am Michelle. How are you, ma'am?
I'm okay. Thank you for coming.
Yes. Ganito, we'll have a very brief interview kay ma'am. Kasi itong business ni ma'am, it's different. So, yung gaya ng mga lagi natin binablog about food, restaurant. So, alam na natin how to run that, how to market. So, this one is different, ma'am.
Yes.
So, pero nagtatagumpay siya kasi it started like 2014. So,
we opened 2014.
Yeah, okay.
We started with just 30 students, ballet students.
30. So, ngayon, meron na kayo?
Now we have 70 students.
70. So, paano mo mag-start ng ganitong Arts in Motion? Ganitong type of business? Kasi you cater more on arts. Okay?
We cater more on arts and more on youth.
Yes.
We really wanted to develop talents for Bataan. Well, I started this because it's the hobby of my daughter.
Okay.
When we transferred here in Bataan, we used to came from Manila and she wanted to continue her ballet. She started when she was 3, she's already doing ballet.
Okay.
And then when we transferred here into 2014, she said she wanted to continue ballet. So I look around and, you know, there's none. So
The only in Bataan,
so I talked to the teachers in Manila, her teachers, if they're interested to teach in Bataan, because I said there's a lot of potential
here in Bataan.
potential kids here in Bataan. So they agreed and we opened 2014. How did I started this? Well, it started with just a passion for my daughter. Then I saw that there's a need because there's a lot of kids probably who want to.
Yes.
So when we opened March of 2014 during summer, we immediately have 30 students and we're really surprised.
Yes.
Because, you know, there are a lot of young girls who enrolled.
Just waiting for this center. Balikan natin sinabi ni Mama, because of her passion and there's a need. So if you want to start a business, hindi talaga tayo lalayo doon sa gusto ng puso mo and yung needs ng community. Like yung sinasabi Mama, sa lahat naman gusto mo simula ng negosyo, tingnan mo, ano meron sa community? Ano meron? Then, how can you help para ma-solve yung problem? Okay?
I really don't know how to do ballet, you know what? But, because I can see the passion in my kid, and I also observed the dance studio that where my kids are enrolled before. Then all the things that I don't want in their studio, I did not do it here. I want, for example, this small reception area. I put a TV and this aircon.
It's not always present in different.
Yes, because I said, yes, I have the students are the kids, but the one who pay are the parents. So I have to treat them well also.
So,
with aircon, and while they're waiting, there's a TV that they can watch while waiting for their kids.
Okay. Sige ma'am, summarize lang natin sinasabi ni Mama para kasi this is for those who wanted to have this type of business.
Yes.
Ma'am. So first it's not, you know, it's about the needs. If you see na merong needs, that's first.
There's a market, there's a
market.
need.
Okay. And second, you don't need to do the ballet dance to start this type of business. Sabi ko nga, Mami, one of my vlogs, you don't need to be a specialist.
Yes.
You just have that business idea. Hindi naman kailangan, marunong mag-ballet, di ba? Mag-piano pag nagkaroon ka na ng negosyo. So, just one business idea. And third, make your clients comfortable. Kasi parents ang nagbabayad eh. Alam ka naman, nasa tabi sila ng daan, di ba? So, itong ganda ng reception area. I know, ma'am, nag-spend ka ng pera dito.
Yes.
Sa space pa lang, kasi others are maximizing their space. So, space pa lang, dapat pwede na itong gawing isang
studio actually.
Pero you opted to have it for the parents. So make your clients comfortable. Okay? So that's
additional, you always have to innovate. We started with just a dance studio. Then after a year, we opened music classes.
So
because a lot of parents, you don't have, you only have dance. We have a son who wants to do drums, piano. So
violin.
So we also opened, after a year we opened that because sometimes the parents just want a one-stop shop. Meaning they bring their daughter here at the same time their son is doing piano or drums or guitar while their daughter is doing ballet or dance class.
Okay, alright. So, 4 tips yan, no? So, innovation. Kasi, nakita uli ni Ma'am, there's a need. Kasi may clients ka na naman eh. So, why not offer it? Nandito ka na rin naman eh. Di ba? So, you just have to expand your services. Anyway, may place naman, it's arts. Look na natin ng music. And, you know.
And plus, quality teachers in this kind of business. Meaning professional teachers. Not just, you know, you can play piano, but you cannot really be a good teacher in piano. Or you can be a good dancer, but not really a good teacher. So, our teachers here, like for music, are all from UP Conservatory of Music, UST Conservatory of Music. Our teachers for dance, we have from Philippine Ballet Theater, then sometimes we get guest teachers for ballet from Ballet Philippines, you know. They are all professional ballerinas and dancers. So you are, in Arts in Motion Studio, assure you of a quality performing arts education.
Right? Okay, so nakita natin kanina yung mga nagtuturo, professor ni ma'am. Okay? So, thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank
so,
you, ma'am.
Yung number niyo, ma'am, can you
You can follow us at Arts in Motion FB page, Arts in Motion Studio. We have also an FB account, Ames Bataan.
Okay.
And I would like to invite you on December 14. We are bringing the Philippine Ballet Theater here. They will be doing the Nutcracker Ballet Show here in UCC. The first time in Bataan that they will be performing. And what's nice about it is our ballerinas will be dancing with the groups. So that's a good opportunity for the ballerinas. Yes, please
December
do come.
14. December 14. Let's see kung wala tayong coaching sa Manila.
Yes. Please do come.
Yes, I will. Para for Julene, my niece is here. She's in
Yes, she will dance.
Okay, so
She will dance with the Philippine Ballet Theater as well as the other girls.
Alright, so
Doc Gigi, salamat po.
Yeah,
very, thank you.
Welcome po. Thank you, Ma'am Michelle.
Okay.
Thank you.
Visit us again.
Yeah, I'll be coming back next month for follow-up. Okay?
Yes.
Alright, so sa lahat ng gusto mong mga delivers natin, dalawang in-offer natin ngayon. If you want to enroll your kids, dito na yan. So, sa Arts in Motion, dance, instruments, music, and everything. Okay? And if you want to start the same business like this, so yung mga tips na sinabi ni ma'am, nandiyan na. And we can help you. You can contact us for business coaching. Okay?
Yes.
Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng maibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayo mabago at umunlad na ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go!